Robust digital expert enthusiasts. Hey, digital enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Robust Digital Expert channel, your go-to digital cafeteria for developing top-notch skills. If you're hungry for career growth and ready to unlock a realm of opportunities, you're in the right place. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things digital. At Robust Digital Expert, we're not just experts, we're your digital companions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your digital skills, we've got a spot for you. No need to be a guru, everyone's welcome. Whether your goal is to be a business analyst, project manager, data scientist, or delve into artificial intelligence, we've curated over 130 possibilities for you. But it's not just about learning, it's about real-world application. Our live digital projects and work experiences immerse you in the challenges you'll conquer. And guess what? It's not all serious business. We've sprinkled in masterclasses on self-love, mindset mastery, and personal development because we believe a holistic approach leads to true success. Ready to embark on a brighter future? Head to our website, link in the description, for more details and secure your spot in the Virtual Mentoring Academy. Don't miss out on this life-changing experience. Join us, where digital dreams become reality. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. The title for the playlist. Project Management Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
DFM. Design for manufacturing.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly. Definition.
Design for manufacturing, DFM, is the process of designing products with the primary focus on ease of manufacturing. This approach ensures that the product design allows for efficient, cost-effective production without compromising quality. It involves considering factors like materials, processes, and manufacturability early in the design phase to reduce production costs, minimize waste, and improve product quality.
Origin.
The concept of design for manufacturing emerged in the mid-20th century, driven by the need to optimize product design for mass production during the Industrial Revolution. With advances in manufacturing technology and a growing focus on efficiency, DFM evolved as a critical discipline, particularly in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and electronics. It became more formalized in the 1980s as manufacturers sought to reduce time to market and production costs by integrating manufacturing considerations into the design process from the start.
Detailed explanation.
Early integration of manufacturing considerations. DFM emphasizes the importance of involving manufacturing experts in the early stages of product design. This collaboration helps identify potential challenges in producing the product, which can be addressed before they become costly issues. Material selection and process optimization. DFM ensures that the materials selected for a product are suitable for mass production and can be processed efficiently. It also looks at optimizing manufacturing processes like molding, stamping, or assembly to streamline production. Reducing complexity. The design process aims to simplify the product wherever possible. This includes reducing the number of parts, standardizing components, and minimizing intricate features that might complicate production or increase costs. Cost and waste reduction. One of DFM's primary goals is to reduce manufacturing costs and minimize waste by ensuring that materials are used efficiently and that production processes are streamlined to avoid unnecessary steps or rework.
Relevance to the field.
Enhances product quality. DFM ensures that products are not only easier to manufacture but also more reliable and of higher quality, since potential manufacturing issues are addressed early in the design phase. Reduces time to market. By designing products with manufacturability in mind, companies can avoid delays and costly redesigns later in the production process, leading to faster time to market. Increases profit margins. Through cost-effective design choices, DFM helps reduce production costs, leading to higher profit margins for manufacturers and more competitive pricing for consumers.
Usage.
Cross-functional team collaboration. DFM is commonly used in collaboration between design, engineering, and manufacturing teams. This ensures that all aspects of the product's life cycle, from conception to production, are considered. Prototype and production transition. During the prototype phase, DFM principles help identify whether a prototype design can be scaled for mass production and avoid issues when transitioning from prototype to full production. Lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. DFM is used in lean manufacturing environments where the focus is on eliminating waste, reducing costs, and continuously improving processes to enhance efficiency and product quality.
Examples of application.
Automotive industry. DFM is critical in the automotive industry when designing new car models. Engineers work closely with manufacturing teams to ensure that parts can be easily assembled, standardized across models, and produced using cost-efficient processes like injection molding. Consumer electronics. For a smartphone manufacturer, DFM involves selecting materials that are easy to mold and fit within tight tolerances. The design also considers the ease of assembly, ensuring that components can be produced rapidly without increasing manufacturing costs.
In summary,
Design for manufacturing, DFM, is a strategic approach to product design that aims to simplify manufacturing processes, reduce production costs, and enhance product quality. By integrating manufacturing considerations into the early design stages, DFM ensures efficient production while minimizing waste and production delays. It is widely used across industries to achieve cost-effective, scalable, and high-quality products.
make a difference by giving.
Thank you for being a part of our community across the Sure Word for today. Start here with Jefferson, and Robust Digital Expert. Your support is invaluable to us. By buying us a virtual coffee, you're helping us continue to produce content that inspires, educates, and empowers, making a difference in the lives of others. Together, we can make a difference and reach even more people. Thank you for your generosity and for believing in our mission. Make a difference today by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching and listening.
Thank you for being part of our YouTube journey on the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for unique educational content. You'll never miss the latest updates, new playlists, and exciting content by subscribing. Join our community of learners and professionals and gain access to a wealth of knowledge. We value your feedback, so please comment on our videos and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore. Subscribe to the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel and embark on an exciting journey of knowledge and exploration. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a valuable member of our community.